take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Which conclusion is most appropriate? A regional CPA firm completed its annual evaluation of its system of quality management. During the review, leadership identified that one office consistently failed to perform required engagement quality review on high-risk audit, something we have to do. All other offices were compliant and the firm monitoring procedures were functioning effectively elsewhere. The fact that we find this, the monitoring is working properly. So what is the conclusion that we have to come up with? So before you answer this question, you can ask the AI to explain what other options we could have for issues like this. If not, go ahead and try to answer the question. The system provide reasonable assurance. I would not go as far as reasonable assurance because we did find one office that they're not doing proper engagement quality review on high risk audits. So I would not give reasonable assurance here. Clean reasonable assurance, the highest. The system is effective except for specific matters. Definitely between A and B, I'm gonna keep B. So here we're saying the system is effective except for this one office. That's more reasonable than A. C, the system does not provide reasonable assurance. That's going too far. I would say this if all the offices are not performing a quality review. So also A and C is kind of extreme. No formal conclusion is required if corrective action is planned. No, you have to come up with one of them, reasonable assurance or effective except, or it's not working properly. We have deficiency all over the place. So the best answer is B. Now, if you're completing this question on Farhat Lectures, you can ask Farhat.ai to explain the correct and incorrect answer. And if you really like this topic, you can ask the AI to create a similar MCQ to help you understand the annual evaluation and the conclusion that could be reached, the three conclusion. What should you do now? If you're a CPA exam candidate, accounting student, go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, lectures, podcast, Farhat AI Assistant, multiple choice, support. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.